Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the right backup and a steady connection. Start now. First, confirm you're signed into the same Apple ID that made the backup, because Apple ties apps to accounts. Once done, connect the iPhone to reliable Wi-Fi and plug it in so the restore won't pause. Next, check iCloud or Finder/iTunes for the backup date to ensure it contains the apps you want. Now that prerequisites are set, proceed to initiate the restore from settings or from your computer. You'll perform the actual restore now. If your device isn't already erased, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase All Content. That triggers setup. During setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and pick the correct date because backups are snapshots. If using a computer, connect and restore from Finder or iTunes. This can be faster for large app libraries. While apps download, you can tap any paused app to prioritize it. Make sure download's complete before moving on. You're almost done. Verify everything. Open key apps to confirm data restored and sign back into accounts that require authentication. If an app is missing, go to the App Store Purchase tab to re-download it and check Settings General iPhone Storage for offloaded apps. If an app won't download, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Wi-Fi or restart the iPhone, and sign out and back into your Apple ID. This often clears authentication or network glitches, so downloads resume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.